So hello all the star technophiles, this is Ojasvi Jan, and in this video we will going to cover what exactly the different ways to declare a variable in a JavaScript, what exactly the significance of the var keyword, and the very important one, what is the meaning of hoisting in a JavaScript. You will definitely going to learn each and everything in a very systematic manner. So let's start with the variable.
Let's continue the learning of the JavaScript within the HTML file inside the script tag. So I have written the script tag within a body tag at the end, as you can see that, and I'm going to write the JavaScript program inside that. So the basic thing in a programming come into the picture is nothing but a variable declaration. Once we declare a variable, then we apply a logic and then we write a logic. So first, before that, we have to learn how to declare a variable in the JavaScript. So let me tell you, in JavaScript you can declare a variable in the three ways. First is var keyword, let keyword, and last one is a const keyword. So let's see one by one. So var keyword is introduced in ES5, and then let keyword and const keyword is introduced in ES6. So let's talk about this one by one. So here is the var keyword, and I'm declaring one variable that is nothing but a my name. Okay, this is a one variable, or this is a whole statement, you can consider that. Okay, so this is one statement. This is called as a variable declaration. Okay, this is called as a variable declaration. You can see that I have declared a variable in a camel case form. That is, for example, if I really want to connect two words of English as my variable name, I have written in that way, that is my and name in the letter and in the capital letter, and then I have written like my name. So this convention we are following in the real-time project as well, right? So this is called as a variable declaration, and you can see this in the console as well, console.log. So you can see this in the console as well. First, let me just like initialize this variable with my name also. Find my name, right? So Ojasvi Jan. Let me initialize this variable with the Ojasvi Jan, and now you will going to see that in the console part. You will going to see this in the console part with the when you inspect it. This is a Ojasvi Jan. You can see that. I really want to explain you one thing in the JavaScript, that is nothing but JavaScript is a dynamically typed language. What exactly the meaning of this is, if I really want to initialize the my name with the number, then it will give me a number. It will give me a number on the console. If I really want to give the boolean value, then it will give me a boolean as well. Let's see how it is behave. So it will give me a first Ojasvi Jan as a string value, then a number, like my name is 12, like my name initialized with 12, that's give you 12 value, and my name initialized with a boolean value, it's give a boolean. If you want to see the what exactly the type of like with the help of type of operator of this my name, you can see in that way, you can see this in that way, how exactly the type of behave in this case. So this is the string type, this is the number type, and this is the boolean type. So this is the type of part in the console. So you can observe one thing here. In the JavaScript program, I haven't mentioned any data type of this my name variable, still I'm getting a different type according to the assignment. Like whatever the value I'm assigning to this, according to that I'm getting in the type of. So this is called as JavaScript is a dynamically typed language. It means that whatever value you are assigning, JavaScript engine first understand that and make that variable of that type. Right, so this is the behavior of the JavaScript. This is the first behavior of the JavaScript. Now I really want to show you the second behavior of the JavaScript. This is called as a hoisting. That is called as a hoisting. So I am going to remove this thing, and this is called as a hoisting. What exactly the meaning is? So if I console this my name before assignment, let's see what exactly the value of this. If I consoling this is the before assignment. So in the line number 19 you can see that this is the before assignment. So I really want to write this before. So this is a before assignment. This is the after assignment. So you will see that before assignment its value is undefined. This is the behavior of the JavaScript. If you are not assigning anything to the variable by default take a undefined value, and after assignment as expected it will give the Ojasvi Jan, right? Now one thing that I really want to highlight or I really want to discuss, that concept is nothing called as a hoisting. So this concept is called as a hoisting. What exactly this concept say that? What if I console the variable before declaration? If I console a variable before declaration, what is the behavior of the what is the behavior of the this console? So if you think in the perspective of the C, C++ or Java, your answer will be like this will give you the error because we can't access any variable before declaration. First we have to declare the variable. First we have to tell the compiler that this is the variable and you should consider this in the further program wherever I'm using. Okay, but if you use a variable before declaration, it will not give a error, it will give you a value. That is called as a hoisting. So I'm saving it and you will see that before declaration its value is undefined. This is called as a hoisting in the JavaScript. It means that before execution variable will, what the JavaScript will do, like first JavaScript scan whole program and whatever the variable JavaScript encounter, it will take that variable and put this on the top of this file. So you will not get any kind of error if you will use the variable before declaration. So this you can see that here it is undefined.
So hope you will get a better idea how to declare a variable with the help of a where keyword. And most important thing, what exactly the meaning of dynamically typed in a JavaScript. In the next video, we will going to discuss the another two way to declare a variable, that is nothing but a where and the const. Where and const is a modern way to declare a variable in the JavaScript that we are oftenly using in any real-time project. So as of now, take care, have a nice day and see you in the next video.